Alrighty, Curtis, here's your 33 small block Chevrolet. Just got done Dyno. Everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our silver heads on it. Hydraulic roller motor. Edelbrock Mnaifold quick fuel SS 750 MSD Pro Billet. Got the valve coverage you wanted. Pretty nice. Chevrolet. Level. CVF front end. Make sure the alternator charges for you and everything. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down 3,600, 445. Really, look at all those 40s. Real flat torque. Peaks torque 447. Peaks horsepower 399. Rated at 400. Front end's about 15 or 20 with this wide belt. So everything runs good. This is our value series. So get her off here, get in a crate, come your way. Hopefully it'll be a good Christmas present. Have a great day.